I received my Merida electric bike right now from cyclecraft.se, and I'm going to unpack it and see how is it. Now I've opened the box, and you see how the bike looks like when you open the box, and you see some parts are included in the box. For example, you see the charger, the pedals, which you need to install here, and the cables and the string and some spare parts, and the display, which needs to be installed as well, and the bell, if you want it you can use it, and some documents, and the manual of installation. And this is the box that these things were inside. So we can have a look at the bike as well. You see how it's packed. It's packed in very well way, and you see the battery is inside. I bought a lock, an extra lock here. You see it's already installed. That's very well. And how the saddle is protected. Okay, now I'm going to install the pedals and display and try my bike. Okay, my Merida Espresso 300 SEQ is ready to use, and as you see, the battery is fully charged and the display is on, and I'm going to ride it and see how does it work. Okay, right now I found how the electric motor works. There are two buttons here. If you see, there is one lower and one higher, and if you press the higher, the status moves from off to eco and norm and then high, and it increases the power of the assistant. So when you press your foot on the pedal, it helps you, it boosts your power. So if you don't press the pedal, it doesn't work at all. So it's just helping you, and you can select between eco, norm and high. And at the same time you can have benefit of using the manual gears as normal bicycles.